Hey guys, what's up? Thanks for stopping by. Today's video is about how I style my Jordan 1s. It's something that's been requested a lot actually. So decided since we're all under lockdown, why don't I put a video together quickly. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you'd like a part 2 of this video or would like me to see styling other sneakers, make sure to leave a comment. Alright, let's get into it.
Started out with half and I flipped it into double. Started out with half and I flipped it into double. Said I'm again, we gotta go. Take one, then I dash away from Popo. Yeah. Snakes around my grass, they want my dodo. But I keep a 40, they don't know. Got the Henny, you get cold. Smoke on Reggie, that's a no-no. Driving slow-mo in the photo. Bitches ready for them photos. There's a lot of things on my mind, yeah. Stacking money like 365. Cause this shit is real. Cause this shit is real. Cause this shit is real. Don't say you get money, boy, you been broke. Digit dash up in my circle, you can roll. Only cash up in my vision in the south. Now I'm smashing on the model cause I bought. Ayy, cause this cream, I'ma take the team. We gon' be hot like steam. I just got the dreams, I know what you mean. It's all funny to the feet, I get 50 to my G.
So that's it for this video, you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Hey. Cause this shit is real. Cause this shit is real.